Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am showing you guys how I got this beautiful bold red lip look, and I'm kind of obsessed, not gonna lie. This is very date night inspired. I'm not going on a date, but I'm getting ready as if I was, just because why the hell not. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I always clap. Like, I clap in every video and I do not know why. I've already done one eye off camera. I know the lighting is literally never the best in my videos, but all the light that I have is from my vanity. And I promise I am like working on getting a ring light soon. And by working on it, I mean I'm trying to convince my dad. So maybe sooner or later there will be better lighting. But for now, this is all we got. I did one eye off camera just because, you know, I needed to practice for my very exciting non-existing date. So I'm using this LA Girl concealer as my eyeshadow base, primer, base, whatever. And I honestly have not used this in such a long time, but I picked it up because I was just practicing, you guys. I was just practicing. I ended up liking how it looked. So now I'm doing the other eye, and I thought, let me just use the same product. So just a fun fact. I do not think, actually, I know for a fact. I've never been on a date, like a legit date. So that just makes it funnier that I'm doing this video. But yeah, I've never been on a real like date where like somebody tells me like, I want to take you out on a date, and we're on a date. Like, no, I've never done that. I'm a date virgin, so this is kind of just funny. I'm taking this Bare Minerals pressed matte powder right here, and I got this in a BoxyCharm a couple months ago, and I haven't used it in a while, but it's good. It's matte, it works, so I like it. I'm using two different palettes for this look, and the first palette that I'm going to go into is this 24G Grand Glam Morphe palette, and I got this from Drea for my birthday. Thank you. And I'm going to go into the color, give me a second, did I forget? Oh, the color Flirty. And I'm going to apply this all over my crease. What am I snapping my fingers for? And at first it's gonna look really messy because that's what happened over here. I got really messy really fast, but if it does, I promise I will fix it as much as I can. I'm just taking it on this Morphe brush that I got in a little like makeup brush set. I don't know what I was gonna say. And I'm gonna just take this again all over my crease. It's kind of hard for me to do this eye because like I like have to close it, but I can't really see because of the lashes. But with this eye, like I can open this one more. You guys don't care, and I don't even know what I'm saying. So this is what I meant by really messy really fast. The colors are super pigmented, so basically I'm just cleaning off the product that's on the brush and taking a cleaner brush, I mean the same brush, but it's just a little cleaner now, to like blend that out and like not have it be as harsh, I guess. I'm actually gonna take this Morphe brush from the Modern Renaissance palette. Wait, hold up. I'm taking this out. Okay, I'm taking this Anastasia brush from the Modern Renaissance palette to blend it out even more, because this one I really didn't add any product at all. So like it makes it a lot easier to blend out without adding any extra product. Now I'm going to take a more dense brush. This is the BH Cosmetics brush that came in like a little set. Doesn't have a number on it, sorry. And I'm going to take the color Mooch from that same Morphe palette. Shh, no, that's my dog. I'm going to take this Mooch color and apply it on the inner and outer corners to like deepen those areas. Basically what I do is I typically just like pat it in like so, let it get messy, and then I blend it out. I like look up and my lashes cover the whole thing. Sorry, I'll just look down. like that, and then I take that same ABH brush to blend it out. I'm also taking that color and just like kind of where my crease folds, I'm like pressing it in there right on that crease. That's why I like look down this way, so it's like really like literally folding, and I'm placing it right in there. I'm honestly not good with these words, makeup words I mean. Okay, that's cool. So I think they look pretty even. So now I'm gonna go into this other palette, and this is the Pure Cosmetics. This, I do not know how to pronounce that. I know that's Diaries. I don't know how to pronounce that. And I'm gonna take the shimmery shade down here. I'm gonna take the color Glitzy down here on a flat brush, and this is a Tarte brush. I'm just gonna like take it and pat it in the middle. And now the last color shade that I'm using is actually a liquid eyeshadow, and this is by Jordana Made to Last liquid eyeshadow. It looks like this, and this is basically like any other liquid shadow, but I'm pretty sure this is like from, I don't know, maybe the dollar store, maybe Walmart. I'm not sure because I found this in my makeup right now. So I'm just gonna take the applicator and directly go in like so. Typically this is the liquid shadow, so it's more like a base for a powder shadow. So typically I would take this first and then apply the powder, but since this is what I did on the other eye, I'm just repeating the step. But just to let you guys know, like, I would do that instead, if that made any sense. And I'm just taking that same Tarte brush to like blend this in. So that's looking pretty even to me. And lastly, again with that Mooch color, hi JB, I'm just taking the same dark color for the third time to bring back that deep effect on the corners and the crease. And ta-da! That's pretty much it for the eyes. For primer, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty matte primer, and I just take one pump and start right in this area, and then take the rest out here. Anyways, I'm going to be taking the Becca foundation, and this is the shade Tan. This is the Shine Proof Ever Matte Foundation, by the way. Just about that much. I think it's like maybe a pump. And I'm pressing it in. I definitely did not do a pump because a pump usually is enough. But I'll build it up. I'm running low on my camera space, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my foundation, finish this up, and I'm also gonna take my concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. I'm gonna conceal, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just finishing up blending this concealer out. I love this concealer, and I think a bright under eye is perfect for date night. So looking good. For powder, I'm taking the Peach Perfect by Too Faced setting powder, and this is a mattifying powder, so I love it, and that's why I came back to tell y'all. It's really good powder. It smells really good. It smells like peaches. Too Faced is the best with all their scents, like, let's be honest. I'm gonna take this brush that I used to set my eye earlier, and I'm just gonna tap off the excess. I wish I had a more perfect shaped brush for this area. I really want this to be like a more chatty type of video, but I honestly just always forget to talk. Like, I get so into what I'm doing, but like I said earlier, bringing it back. I've never been on a date and I want to. Like, I want to go on a date. I really do. Not like necessarily, I don't know, I was gonna say not necessarily to be like dating someone, but just like to experience, you know, like going on a date. And I was just thinking about it, like I was like, what would be like my perfect or like my ideal sort of date? And I don't know, like I feel like so many people have different ideas for like the perfect date, but I feel like for me it would be something like definitely a nice kind of dinner, because what the hell, we love food, come on, I love food at least. So like I think a perfect, you know, nice dinner doesn't have to be anything expensive, of course, but a dinner where you can like, you know, sit and like relax, have a nice convo, something like that. I feel like it would be so nice. And again, it doesn't have to be anything expensive. It's more so about the company and, you know, the relationship rather than the place or, you know, the amount, how expensive it is. I can't talk. Let me know in the comments if you want what your ideal date would be, because I'm just curious. I think another ideal date would be just like a beach date. Like it could be even like brunch, breakfast, doesn't always have to be dinner, like, you know, just a nice restaurant by the beach. Unfortunately, I'm out here in Arizona living in the desert, so like that's not really possible unless you're gonna go all the way to California for your first date. I mean, that'd be kind of cool, but I don't know. I think a beach date would be like, yes, you're the one, put a ring on it, you know. No, it's not, it's probably not that deep, but you know what I mean. So now that the face is nice and set, looks really matte, and that's just what I live for. So if you have oily skin, I recommend that powder 100%. But yeah, now that I'm set, I'm gonna go into bronzer, and I'm gonna take my Morphe Bronzer in the shade Vlogger. And I've been loving this recently. It has 2 shades, but I honestly just like use both at the same time. It's just, I'm not one of those people that, I know bronzing and contouring are 2 different things, but I just don't take the time of day to like bronze and then contour. I will say though, with this bronzer, it might not be the perfect shade for me. It might be a little too orange, so it's a little too easy to get carried away. So what I do is I just take like a bigger powder brush, and I blend it out a little bit, just so that I don't take away the color completely, but definitely tone it down a notch. So my camera is dying, so I just went ahead and finished my under eye kind of shadow. I just took that flirty shade, and I also did my brows because they're really easy to do, and I want to do a brow tutorial also. So on to highlight, I'm taking Gilded Honey by Laura Geller, and I'm applying this everywhere. I like to be super precise with my nose, so I take a really small brush. Just do this. So cute. And my favorite part of this whole look, I'm taking this Fenty Beauty lipstick in Uncensored. My favorite red lipstick ever. So creamy, so red. Isn't that the perfect red, you guys? Wow. It's really perfect. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my little date night inspired makeup, even though not going on a date. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I thought the lipstick really just made it the look pop, and I'm obsessed with it. I hope you guys are too, and I will see you guys in my next video.